Brooklyn Paramount Theatre, a historic venue revived. The Brooklyn Paramount Theatre, located at 385 Flatbush Avenue Extension in downtown Brooklyn, New York, is a storied venue with a rich history and a vibrant future. Historical overview. Opening, inaugurated on November 4th, 1928, the theater was designed by the renowned architectural firm Rapp and Rapp. It was celebrated as America's first movie theater built for sound, marking a significant advancement in cinema technology. Site Turn Zero Search Tentipes. Design. The interior showcased a lavish Baroque style, featuring intricate decorative elements that exemplified the opulence of early 20th century movie palaces. Cititerno Search Tent. Transition. In 1962, the theater ceased operations as a cinema and was repurposed into a basketball court for Long Island University's athletic programs, notably serving as the home court for the LIU Blackbirds. Site Turn Research Euro Renovation and Reopening. Restoration efforts. Beginning in 2017, extensive renovations were undertaken to restore the theater to its former glory as a premier performance venue. These efforts focused on preserving its historical architectural features while upgrading facilities to meet modern standards. Site Turn 00 Search Zaton Grand Reopening. In March 2024, the Brooklyn Paramount Theatre reopened its doors, re-establishing itself as a central hub for arts and entertainment in Brooklyn. Site Turn 0 Search Upcoming events in 2025. The theater's 2025 calendar features a diverse lineup of performances catering to various audiences. Notable events include Benjamin Ingrosso Pink Velvet Theater Tour. Date: February 14th, 2025. Description: Swedish pop sensation. Benjamin Ingrosso brings his dynamic performance to the Brooklyn Paramount, promising an evening of captivating music and showmanship. Latin Mafia concert. Date: February 15th, 2025. Description: Experience the vibrant rhythms and energetic performances of Latin Mafia, delivering an unforgettable night of Latin music fusion. Phineas, for Crying Out Loud. The tour. Dates: February 22nd and 23rd, 2025. Description: Acclaimed artist Phineas showcases his latest album, offering fans an intimate concert experience filled with emotive songwriting and innovative soundscapes. Bright Eyes Concert. Date: April 17th, 2025. Description: Indie favorites. Bright Eyes perform selections from their extensive catalog, blending folk, rock, and electronic elements in a compelling live show. Site Turn News 30 Yaras ticketing information. Tickets for these events and others are available through the Brooklyn Paramount's official website. Patrons are encouraged to check the site regularly for updates on performances, ticket availability, and venue policies.